How to gain weight fast and safely for skinny people. Often you will hear and see people who are looking to lose weight. But you would be surprised to know that there are people out there who are so skinny and want to gain some weight, but could not. Being naturally skinny might be something that many people envy, but it can get frustrating when you keep trying to gain weight to no avail. Not many realize it, but being underweight has almost as many negative impacts on your health as being obese. According to research published by the Scandinavian Journal of Public Health in 2008, being underweight increases the risk for all-cause mortality, just as with obesity. This is true in both men and women. Additionally, in another study published by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2008, researchers found that being underweight is associated with lower fertility in men. Countless other studies show the effect of being underweight on overall health, and it can also have significant impact on your confidence and self-love. But if you're trying to gain weight, it's essential to do so in a healthy way. If you're one of the many skinny people who want to gain weight fast but safely, here are your most critical do's and don'ts. Please pay attention to each of these essential do's and don'ts because it could be the difference between success and failure. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Increase your food intake gradually. When you decide to do what it takes to reach your ideal weight, don't just stuff yourself with food right away. Doing so will be too hard on your system and might lead to severe illnesses like high cholesterol and cardiovascular issues. Instead, please pay attention to your regular caloric intake and increase it slightly every day over a couple of weeks. Don't binge on junk food. Eating plenty of junk food is a guaranteed way to gain weight. Unfortunately, it is also a guaranteed way to develop heart disease and hypertension. Although chips, pizza, instant ramen, and processed meats might have the calories you need to gain the weight right away, you'll do so in a very unhealthy and unsustainable way. Eat plenty of protein. Including lots of protein in your diet is an excellent way to support the muscle growth you need while gaining weight. Lean cuts from chicken and pork are some of your best options. You can also supplement with protein shakes to boost your daily calorie intake in a healthy, more controlled way. Choose your fats carefully. All fats are high in calories that will definitely help you gain weight fast. However, saturated fats and trans fats have been proven to cause clogged arteries and increase your risk of chronic diseases. So stick with polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, like those found in fish, seeds, and nuts. Engage in strength training. Exercise is just as important to people who want to bulk up as those looking to slim down. While you're trying to gain weight, you should engage in strength training exercises that will build your muscle. Doing so will help you achieve your ideal weight with lean muscle rather than just fat. Skinny people can generally gain weight very quickly just by binge eating, but that wouldn't be a safe and sustainable way to do it. To get to a healthy weight without compromising your health, you need to rely on a steady, well-planned diet and exercise plan. By following these tips, you'll be able to safely achieve your ideal body in a matter of just a few weeks. Following are links to the study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.